In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bulleted list in Gmail. Whether you're new to using email clients or have been around the tech scene for a while, mastering a few simple tips can make your email communication not only easier but also more effective. Formatting your messages well can capture attention and clearly convey your ideas, and one such useful technique is using bulleted lists. Let's walk through the steps together. First, head over to your Gmail account. You'll want to ensure you're logged in. If you're not, just type in your credentials and navigate to the Gmail homepage. Now, once you're there, you'll want to either start composing a new email or open a draft that you've already started. This is crucial because having a blank canvas or an existing email helps you see exactly where your bulleted list will go. Next, on your email composition page, click to place your cursor exactly where you wish to start the bulleted list. Finding the right location for your list helps maintain a clean and organized email layout. Once you've settled on the spot, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus 8 if you're on a Windows PC, or CMD plus Shift plus 8 if you're on a Mac. This action will place a bullet point exactly at your cursor's location in the email. It's a really handy shortcut to remember because it streamlines the process without having to click around in the toolbar. With your first bullet point ready, you can begin entering your list items. Type in your first item, and when you're finished with it, simply press the Enter key. This automatically adds another bullet in a new line. It's a convenient way to keep adding points without disrupting your workflow, ensuring that your list remains consistent and neatly aligned. After you've added all the items you wanted in your bulleted list, there might come a time when you want to stop. You can use the same keyboard shortcut, Ctrl plus Shift plus 8 or CMD plus Shift plus 8 on a Mac to remove the bullet feature. This will ensure that any text you add afterward is not mistakenly included as part of the bulleted list. Outsmarting the formatting tools can sometimes seem tricky, but with a bit of practice it can become second nature. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to incorporate bulleted lists within your Gmail messages. This feature can enhance the readability of your emails, making them more engaging and easier for your readers to digest. With this tool in your arsenal, you're on your way to crafting more professional and organized emails. Feel free to try it out next time you're aiming to list information concisely in Gmail. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.